Hello guys, welcome back to VK Tutorials Educational channel. If you visited the channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video, you'll learn about more 5 important questions of applications of trigonometry which have been asked in the previous year's board exam papers. This is a continuation video for the last video and very important for Telangana board students as well as CBSE students need to practice them. Sixth question is the angle of elevation of top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. So let's solve. On reading the first statement, we understand that there is a tower. Let that tower be AB, from which there are 2 points. One point is at, let that be P, it is at 4 meter and another point is at 9 meter from the base of the tower. Let it be Q. This is our tower and the angle of elevations are complementary. From which point? From P and Q. What do you understand by complementary? Complementary angles means if you add angle 1 plus angle 2, we should get 90 degree. If I assume as angle 1 as theta, then angle 2 will be 90 minus theta, isn't it? Yes. So, the angles are, if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. In triangle ABP, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here? The opposite is AB and adjacent is BP. Therefore, tan theta is equals to AB by 4. Then AB is equals to 4 tan theta. So this is our equation 1. Now in triangle, take the whole triangle, that is ABQ, tan of 90 minus theta will be equal to, opposite by adjacent is again AB by BQ. So tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, which is equals to AB by BQ is 9 meters. From this we get AB as 9 cot theta. This is our equation 2. Now on multiplying equation 1 and 2, we get AB into AB, which is equals to 4 tan theta into 9 cot theta. That gives us AB into AB is AB whole square, and the 4 9s is 36 and tan theta into cot theta. So 4 9s are 36, tan theta into cot theta. Therefore, AB square will be equal to 36 tan theta. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. So I can write 1 by tan theta gets cancelled. We are left out with AB square is equals to 36. Therefore, AB will be equal to root 36, which is equals to 6 meter. Hence, the height of the tower is proved as 6 meter. Seventh question is, from the top of a tower of 50 meters high, that is, there is a tower, let it be AB, which is 50 meters high. Neha is standing on the top of tower. The angles of depressions, she observes the other building, that is, there is another building. So this is our tower and building. When she observes the top of the building, she is making an angle of depression 45. And when she is observing the bottom, she is making an angle of depression of 60. Let the building be CD. If this is 45, this should be 45 by alternate interior angles. And if this whole is 60, This should also be 60. Solution: in triangle ABD, tan 60 is opposite by adjacent, that is AB by BD. What is tan 60 value? Root 3, and AB is 50, whereas BD is what? We don't know. Therefore, BD is equals to 50 by root 3 meter. This is our equation 1. Now, in triangle A, let this point be E, AEC, we have tan 45 as opposite is AE and adjacent is EC. If BD is 50 by root 3 meter, then EC should also be 50 by root 3 meter because they are equal distance. Tan 45 value will be 1 and AE is, we don't know, EC is 50 by root 3. So we got AE as 50 by root 3 meter. They have asked us to find the height of the building, that is CD. CD should be equal to BE, right? These two should be equal. So now we'll try to find BE, then automatically we'll have the height of the building CD. How can you find BE? If you subtract AE from AB, the whole AB, if I subtract AE, I'll be getting BE. So using that we'll solve. That is AB is 50 and AE is 50 by root 3. Hence that will be equal to BE. On doing LCM, we'll get 50 root 3 minus 50 by root 3, which is equals to BE. Taking 50 common, it will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3. That is equals to BE. Hence, you should not have root in the denominator. So, 50 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. What do we get? We'll get 50 into 3 minus root 3 by 3. That is equals to 150 minus 50 root 3 by 3. That is 150 minus 50 into 1.732 by 3. Therefore, 150 minus 86.6 by 3. That is 150 minus 86.6 will give us 63.4 by 3. When 63.4 is divided by 3, we will get our answer as 21.1 meter. Hence, this is the height of the building. Eighth question is, two boys on either side of their school building of 20 meters height observe its top at the angle of elevation of 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance between the two boys. This question was given in June 2018. So let's solve. Solution. On reading the first statement, two boys on either side of the school building, we understand that there is a school building which is of 20 meters height. There are two boys standing on either side. Considering the first boy to be at point P and the second boy to be at point Q. So they both observe the top of the towers. When the second boy is observing, he is observing at 60 degree, whereas the first boy is observing at 30 degree. What you have to find is the distance between these two boys. Let AB be our building. Now in triangle ABP, tan 30 is equals to opposite, that is AB, by adjacent, that is PB. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 and AB is given as 20 by PB. Hence we get PB as 20 root 3. This is our equation 1. Now, in triangle ABQ, tan 60 is equals to opposite. What is opposite here? AB, and adjacent is BQ. Tan 60 is root 3, AB is 20 by BQ. So BQ is equals to 20 by root 3. Now that we have PB and BQ. If I add PB plus BQ, we shall get PQ. What is PQ here? The distance between two boys. Now, PB is given as 20 root 3 and BQ is 20 by root 3. By adding them, we'll get our distance between those two boys. On doing LCM, we'll get 20 root 3 into root 3 plus 20 by root 3. That is 20 into 3 plus 20 by root 3. We get 60 plus 20 by root 3, that is 80 by root 3, multiplied by root 3 by root 3. 80 root 3 by 3 is our answer. Therefore, the distance between the two boys is 80 root 3 by 3. Ninth question is, the angle of elevation of top of the hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degree. And the angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degree. There is a hill and a tower. So the angle of elevation of top of the hill is from the foot of the tower is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degree. If the tower is 50 meters high, so tower here is 50 meters high, so let AB be our hill and CD our tower. What you have to find is, find the height of the hill. Solution. In triangle BCD, we have tan 30 as opposite as CD by adjacent as BD. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3, which is equals to CD is 50 and BD is what you have to find. So BD here is 50 root 3 meter. This is our equation 1. Now, in triangle ABD, tan 60 is equals to opposite, that is AB by adjacent BD. Tan 60 value is root 3. AB by BD is what we have found, that is 50 root 3. Therefore, AB is equals to 50 root 3 into root 3. AB we found out to be 50 into 3. Therefore, AB will give us 150 meter. What is the height of the hill? 150 meter. 10th question is, a man observes top of tower at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. When he walked 40 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation is changed to 60 degree. Find the height of the tower and distance from the first observation point to the tower. So that is, we observe that there is an tower. Let that tower be AB. A man standing at some point is observing the top of the tower at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. As he moves, let that point be P, as he moves 40 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation changed to 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is what you have to find, and the distance from the first point, that is first observation, to the point to the tower, that is this whole you have to find. A solution. Let AB be tower and BQ equal to some x meters. So let's assume that BQ is x meters. So in triangle ABQ, tan 60 is equals to opposite by adjacent. What is adjacent here? BQ. Tan 60 value is root 3 and AB is we don't know, whereas BQ also we don't know. We took it as x. So AB is x root 3 meter. Next, in triangle ABP, tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Adjacent here is BP. Tan 30 will be 1 by root 3, whereas AB is we don't know, and BQ and BP is 40 plus x. Hence we got AB as 40 plus x by root 3. Equation 1, equation 2. Now what we have to do is equate both these equations. That is, because here AB is x root 3 and AB is 40 plus x root 3. Let us equate them. On equating 1 and 2, we get x root 3 is equals to 40 plus x by root 3. Multiply it, you get 3x is equals to 40 plus x. That is 3x minus x is equals to 40. That is 2x is equals to 40, and we get x as 40 by 2, 20. X we got as 20 meter. Distance is what they asked us to find. Distance between the first point and foot of tower. I mean the point on the tower. That is, we get 40 plus x as 40 plus 20, which gives us 60 meter. Distance we found out, and we should also find the height of the tower, that is AB equals to x root 3, that is 20 root 3 meter. So height of the tower and the distance is found out. So this whole will be 40 plus 20, we got as 60 meter, and this was x root 3, so we got as 20 root 3 meter. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe as much as you can. If there are any doubts regarding these 5 questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.